Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix purple screen, pink screen, violet screen, or black screen issues in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin on PC. Just follow these simple steps and your game should work properly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, launch the game. Once you're in the launcher or menu, click on Tools. Select Check Resource Integrity. This will scan your installed game files for corruption or missing files. Click Confirm. Now wait for the process to complete. Once it finishes, press Confirm again. Then launch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. If the issue is still there, go back to Tools again. Select Delete Resources. Click Confirm. Now restart the game. The game will automatically download fresh resources, which can fix display issues. Solution 3. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click the 7 Deadly Sins Origin and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game. Once it's done, launch the game again. Solution 4. If none of the previous methods worked, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. This ensures all files are fresh and not corrupted. After reinstalling, launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. After following these steps, your screen issue should be resolved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.